Inday Sara, it was a weekday. He was here as a kuan ka ng VP na trabaho niya, no? He had meetings here. So, kuan gito, dito, she's not in a position to endorse me. But in a friendly way, in a friendly manner, ningon man siya ang atong gobernador, di ba?
Bitaw,
Pam
dugod to. Bitaw.
Balicuatro. Ang gobernador di ay ang gobernador. So the fact na gi-mention ko niya, but dili ang endorsement gud ingon ka na vote for.
Yes.
So she cannot do that kaya sa